Hey man, say man, back with the second video in the same day. That's called consistency. You know, we just gonna stack a video on top of a video, on top of a video, on top of a video, on top of a video until we get like 5 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? It's however we gonna do it, but we gonna do it. We gonna get it done. I know how we get. But man, this video gonna be dope. You know, my lady showed me this one. Let's see. Let's hop right into it. All right, let's go. Hope this one don't got as many ads as the other one. Man, who is this dude? Man, you don't hit that fucking dog. Oh man, I might get my. Nah, bro.
Man, this is crazy. The fire department did it?
Man, you know what's really crazy, bro? Just watching from the car.
Is that
you gonna get out and help, bro? Everybody's scared of the dog.
Fuck,
it's
man.
all over the block.
What the hell?
Yeah.
If I go out there, oh God, this lady about to go out there and it's gonna attack him. Then I gotta go out here now.
No, man. That's why I can't do it. Somebody gotta help him. See, man, the old lady got more cojones than the dude that ran in the house. She ain't doing nothing with the broom, but at least she attempting, you know what I'm saying? At least she trying. Oh, that couldn't be me. Oh, choke that dog up. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm in the butt. I'm right in the butt. Man, where you get the couch from? What is, oh, that's a trash can. My fault. I thought it broke through a couch. Oh, they got his neck. Oh, no, they got his neck. Man, she ain't doing nothing with that, bro. Somebody get Momo out of there. Yeah. See, a real man had to step up. That bro came in and started spanking that dog. That ain't working. Telling y'all, you gotta put the thumb in the butt, man. That's the only option. Really. Well, you better watch your neck. I hope you don't got his. Yeah, he got his hand. I swear I see the moves in the wrestling video, man.
Fuck!
Man, Ramona, she got the hardest heart. Oh, it's his dog.
Get him off!
See, man, if you can't control a dog, man, you shouldn't even have one. Did bro bring an axe? Is that an axe? Yeah, man, he got something wrong with him. He shouldn't even have a dog, but something wrong with him. Oh, that's a hammer. My fault. Oh yeah, man. I think no, man. I'm coming back. I'm killing you and your dog. He's scared of his own dogs. Your dog don't respect you, man.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Oh,
Hey,
thank you.
Like, yeah, I run my face with all y'all. That dog tired. What they did is they just jumped that dog.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you. No problem, man. This fucking dog's sick.
You see that? That's
This fucking dog's sick.
That's what we need. Wait, I get in the video. Black unity. That's what we need right there. All right, man. That's the end of the video. Hey man, say man, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, or not. I don't really care no more. But man, we're gonna keep stacking it and stacking it and stacking it and stacking it until we get 5 subscribers. Consistent videos coming non-stop. Man, y'all have a blessed one.